How to convert Bolt AI to Figma. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you're going to use a workaround and specifically a plugin for your Figma, since there is no direct export feature in your Bolt AI. You can only get files or sources from Figma to your Bolt AI and not particularly the other way around. So you can go ahead and open up your project in your Bolt and go to its preview, or you could publish it as a website and you get its URL. But in our case, we're gonna go ahead and do an example by doing a preview. But put in mind that it's much better if it is already published and as a website already, since you can go ahead and copy its URL like so. So once you went ahead and copied the URL of the website, go ahead to your Figma project, go ahead to the top left, and then to your plugins. What you're gonna have to do is go to manage plugins and search for this, which is HTML to design. So you can go ahead and search for that, HTML to design, install the plugin, and then you can go ahead and use it. So here you're gonna go ahead and paste in the URL you got. So you can import the captured file or receive the transfer design, and then go ahead and paste it like so. What you're gonna do now is just press on import, and then you're gonna have your import options like your auto layout, your components, or even enhancements. But once it's done, just go ahead and press on proceed, and then the page will appear as editable layers, often with auto layout applied, allowing you to adjust spacing, text, and components just like a normal Figma design. So from there, you can clean up the layout or refine the styles, or just fix some errors that happened during the integration. But that is one option you have if you want to go ahead and do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.